Alright, in today's quick tip, we're going to show you how to hack your Opus 88 demo fountain pen with a Pilot Parallel calligraphy nib. So this will really add a lot of calligraphic flair and fun to your writing, and it's very simple to do. So I'm going to show you really quick how to do it. So the Opus 88 has a Jowo number 6 size housing and nib unit that just screws completely out. So what you want to do is just unscrew it from the section, turning counterclockwise, and you see there a little O-ring comes out. You want to keep that for when you want to put this nib back into the pen. So you want to take the nib and the housing and the O-ring out, keep it off to the side there. Then we're going to take the Pilot Parallel nib of your choosing. Doesn't have to be this particular one, which is the 3.8 millimeter. It could be the 6.0 or anything that you see here with this Enzo hand lettering set here. You could do all 4 tip sizes if you'd like. It's really easy. This just comes straight out when you pull it out. And it also comes with an O-ring here too, which is pretty much at the base of the feed, so it doesn't come off easily. It'll just be there, and you need to still make sure that that's there as well. And then we're going to slide it on in. Nice tight fit. Kind of heard it kind of squeak its way in there, and you're good to go. So what I did was I had already put one on my own Opus 88 here, so I just want to quickly show you what it's capable of doing. I filled it up with some ink, and this is actually the number 6, the 6.0 actually, the 6.0 millimeter Pilot Parallel nib, and was modified into kind of like a folded writing nib. So it kind of gives you a little bit of a rougher edge. And this is De Atramentis. Where you can have a lot of fun and use up that massive ink capacity that the Opus 88 has. Or you can write nice and small using the edge of the nib. It's a lot of fun. It's enjoyable. And it's a neat little hack. Very cheap to get the Pilot Parallel nibs, and you could add a whole other dimension to your writing with the Opus 88 pen. And plus, not many people like the parallel pens for their obvious non-posting capabilities and the shape of the pen. So it's kind of cool to be able to add that nib functionality to the Opus pen. And so that's it for this hack, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks. Bye.